Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to do the basic operations on algebraic fraction. In algebra we also have fractional values. That means we have numerator as well as denominator. Now how to solve it? First of all, our question is reduce the lowest term to the lowest term. Okay, now it is a course of grade 8 Oxford book. And first of all, as we know, a square minus b square. If we have to do a square, if we want to break it, how we break? That means a minus b. In one bracket we have with minus sign and one have plus sign. Okay, if we want to find how it comes, first of all we are taking it and we take as a common this bracket. A square plus 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 ab minus plus minus ab plus minus minus b square. As we know, equal term having opposite sign must be cancelled. So these terms are cancelled and at last we have to find this bracket. So this bracket is equal to these two brackets. Now here what we have to do, first of all we break it. How? In one bracket we have a minus b, whereas in other bracket we have a plus b, and this is equals to a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, now first of all we look at these terms. Equal term having sign in upon, numerator can be cancelled by the same number with same bracket. Numerator can be divided by denominator. These two terms can be divided, whereas these are nothing possible because plus does not break. If we have at the mid of it minus, we can be cancel it. Now there is no possibility to divide, so we have to keep then in that way. It's the answer of this algebraic fraction, and we cannot be divided it furthermore, so we have to be consider this as answer. In this question we have x square minus y square, break it over and having a square sign, then x plus y whole square. How we solve here is a minus, so we can make or divide it by 2. Like in one bracket we have plus minus and other bracket we have plus. It shows the two pairs of them. In one in a first bracket we can be having sign with plus, and in other we have minus. So now this is equals to this, because 2 means we have two bracket, and that is why we can be divided. If we have plus, so we if we want to divide or make a pair in both brackets, we are taking positive sign, because in minus we can be having one minus bracket and one plus. Now we cannot break it more because it has positive sign in the mid term. Now we have terms like this. It is break into two bracket and we did not break it, so we have to keep it as this is given. Now it can be cancelled because numerator can be divided, and having equal signs can be divided because the numerator can be divided by denominator. Now we have two terms. Afterwards we have to see it has minus sign. So in one bracket we have to take minus sign, and other bracket we have to take plus sign. In these kind of question, whenever we have having no formula, here we have a square minus 2a upon 4a cube minus 8a square. First of all, we have to look at this term carefully. Is it having common or not? Here we can see a is a common, and which one is lower? A. And then we multiply this a by any number in which we have to get a square. If we multiply a by a square, then if we multiply 2 by a, it becomes 2a. That means the product of these two numbers must be equal to that one. So now we are getting these terms. Now here, in case of numbers, which one is lesser or divisible to other number? 4, it can be divisible by 8. So 4 is we are taking as a common here, and a square is a lower term and which is common in both. So a square we are taking here as a common. Now we multiply this term by any number in which we have to get this number 4a. If we multiply 4a square by a, then a 2 plus 1 3. Powers should be plus 2 plus 1. These are not multiplied. Only numbers can be multiplied. Now a 2 plus 1 becomes 3, and 4 ones are 4. It represents 1. We does not write here, but it is equals to 1. Then we multiply 4 by any number in which we have to get 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. If we multiply 4 by 2, we have to get 8. Now a square equal, so there is no need of add any number. Now we have terms like these. As we know, denominator should be cancelled by numerator. So, and this is cancelled by this, and here 2 minus 1 becomes. So our answer is now 1 upon 4a. Remaining terms to be considered as answer of. Okay, thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.